Putting a table on the street can take a lot of space. A pretty cool innovation is one that you can transform what looks like a regular bench into a table with seats. With spaces getting smaller and smaller, we have to learn to make the most out of them. Brian Conti decided to create stick magnets in order to use the top part of the shelf or fridge to hang things up, and even showed how strong these magnets are by placing a hammer. The floating backpack by Hoverglide is a huge backpack that looks like a glitch because it bounces up and down, but it actually is great for joints and shoulders. Even though it obviously isn't floating, the professor who made it says the system decreases the force exerted on the user. A pretty awesome invention is a life-saving bracelet which somehow literally holds inside an inflatable. So if you are struggling or need to quickly go up to the surface, you just pop it open and it takes you upward incredibly fast. A crazy human-like robot to see in action is a prototype from AIST, who is able to assemble structures such as walls for houses or cabinets. Not sure why they didn't add more arms though. Okay, I have no idea the specifics on how this works, but somehow this rotary sail is propelling this entire massive cruise ships, because when the wind blows from the side and creates an effect that results in a forward thrust. Not sure why they stopped making these, but in some older cars there was an extra fifth wheel that made the car much easier to park, and you can even do a 180-degree turn in a very little space. A very confusing picture to see is this Lego set, in which Set the Caster looks like it should fall, but somehow it stays upright. Even though regular jet ski are already extremely fun, a crazy invention that makes it even better is this new jet ski that can quite literally levitate, so it looks like you are flying, plus you can do awesome tricks in the air. A totally mesmerizing invention that is used in food processing is the apple slicer. First it takes it to a peeling place, and then what it does is slice the apples into even pieces extremely fast. A catamaran is a watercraft that has a very distinct look because of the holes they have. A crazy hydrofoil catamaran made by the Oracle team looks like nothing else in the water and can reach incredible speeds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.